Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 865, and today's topic of the lecture is about safety glass, and it is also commonly known as bullet resistant glass, laminated glass, and also tempered glass. And also I will be discussing about the manufacture of fiberglass. So first, that is your safety glass. Safety glass is divided into two classes. One class of safety glass is known as, that is tempered glass, and the other is known as laminated glass. So here in the case of laminated glass, the glass sheets are there, and in between two glass sheets this thin plastic sheet is put, and that plastic sheet should not be brittle. It should have good quality elasticity, and then it is heated. For example, first there will be one, that is your glass sheet, and in between glass layer below there will be plastic, and then another one will be your glass. So this is the plastic layer, which is non-brittle, that is glass layer, and this is glass layer, and these two are compressed, and under pressure this will be touching with this, and this will be together tight, and this glass is used as a safety purpose, that is called laminated glass. And out of laminated glass we are preparing this bulletproof, car glasses or bullet resistant glasses. So what we are doing in that, this is your actually laminated, and your bullet resistance, or we call it bulletproof. This is made by, we will put several layers, one layer of glass, then other layer of, this is your plastic or rubber with elasticity, then another layer of glass, then another it will be multi-layer, and in this way again glass, then another layer of plastic or rubber which is non-brittle, and then another. So this broken line or dotted line is showing the layer of plastic or rubber which is elastic and which is non-brittle, and the straight lines layers, that column what we are showing here, they are actually glass, and they are compressed and under pressure and heat they are in contact with these two. Is a thick layer, and it is resistant to bullet, because here with this multi-layer of glass, and in this case here mostly in the case of bulletproof glasses vinyl resin is used, and that vinyl resin is a very good material to be elastic and to be resistant. So in between the two glass plates the vinyl resin is packed in multi-layer, and then this glass is under pressure, under heat, it is manufactured and then supplied. But here bulletproof glasses are not produced commonly. It is under license for a specific purpose, maybe to protect the VIPs, leader, president, so for their car purpose, for their cabin purpose, so for a specific reason it is produced. The other one is that is your tempered glass. So tempered glass means the glass, the other layers are not put. Here the glass is tempered with high annealing point, it is 800 degree Fahrenheit, and with that high annealing tempering, it is made very hard, and that glass is called tempered glass. So these are the glasses. The third one is called fiberglass. Fiberglass is made to use in textile industry, and this glass is drawn into thread-like structure, just like thread, and that thread is so fine, wire-like glass wire, and it is used as an insulator, and also spun some type of mat or some other material. So that fiber which is produced, fiber is of the length of sometimes 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter of length, and they are used for different purposes. So here the industrial manufacture of safety glass, and out of safety glass that is also prepared is called bullet resistant glasses. Number one, safety glass. There are two main classes of safety glass. A is laminated glass and B is tempered glass. So the laminated glass may be prepared by placing a non-brittle plastic, that I have already told you in the beginning, that how one sheet of glass plate is there, and below that sheet there will be some plastic sheet, and that plastic sheet should not be brittle, it should be elastic in nature, in between the two thin plate glass sheets. And these sheets are pressed together under moderate heat to seal the edges. Both ends are sealed so that it is completely under pressure, and once it is heated, that plastic sheet in between the two sheets will be totally in touch of packed with upper and lower sheets of the glasses, and they are then heated under pressure in an autoclave to bring the plastic sheets in absolute contact. Absolute contact means everywhere it is in touch of the glass sheet. And then the tempered glass is very strong and tough and possesses high internal stress. So that is about the laminated glass, and your tempered glass is hard and very tough and strong and possesses high internal stress. The glass sheet is strengthening by annealing, means it is heated up to 800 degree Fahrenheit. The second is, that is bullet resistant glass. So the bullet resistant glass is manufactured out of laminated glass. In the case of laminated glass, it is not multi-layered plastic and glass sheet, but in the case of a bullet resistant glass, or we can call it bulletproof glass, here multi-layer of glass sheet with vinyl resin is a type of very high quality elastic plastic material, that is called vinyl resin. So in between two sheets, one vinyl resin, again glass sheet, again one vinyl resin. So alternate multi-layers of glass sheet and vinyl resins are packed, and that is called bullet resistant glass. So this bullet resistant glass, it is a type of laminated glass obtained by pressing together several layers of glass with vinyl resins in alternate layers. The thickness of bullet resistant laminated glass or bulletproof glass is generally varies from 12 millimeter to 76 and these bulletproof or bullet resistant glasses are prepared for a specific purpose by a specific order, is not generally prepared. So here number 3, that is fiber glass. Such type of glass is used in textile industries and can be spun into yarn, just like thread, and that's why it is used in textile industry for the manufacture of mat, and some other material. Out of this, they are manufacturing, that is insulator, this is insulation, and mat is made. Fiberglass is molten glass, processed mechanically to a thread or filament. So that glass is converted mechanically, just like thread or filament of the glass. A hot platinum nozzle filled with molten glass force out the fluid in the form of a thin continuous thread. So with the help of very fine platinum nozzle, the molten glass is forced to convert into thread-like structure, just like continuous thread. And the glass fiber is commonly known as staple fiber. It has an average length of from 12 to 19 inches and diameter is about 0.028 inches. Number 4, bottle glass. Bottle glass is very cheap and common type of glass. It is also known as soda ash glass. It is very common and cheapest type of glass manufactured by soda lime. Soda lime is the main material for this bottle glass, and also it is called soda lime glass. It is mainly used for making a bottle for different purposes. Number 5, that is Pyrex glass. Pyrex glass is well known in laboratories, and also some Pyrex plates are also made because it is a very fine and it can resist lot of high temperature. It is a very hard and good quality Pyrex glass. So Pyrex glass is very important as a cutlery, also as a equipment in the lab, and also out of Pyrex glass thermometers are also manufactured. So the Pyrex glass, this glass is the mixture of sodium aluminum borosilicate. So here the main constituent of Pyrex glass is sodium aluminum borosilicate, and it is representing a type of hard glass, is a special type of hard glass that is called Pyrex glass, and it is mainly used in the manufacture of costly and high temperature laboratory equipment, utensils and thermometers. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.